let's look at what $20 million can get you in Jamaica. Wow. Alright guys, so we got an EQE for you guys to test out since we didn't get to do it yesterday, so let's check it out. Check your bends. Firstly, let's unlock the car. Woohoo! Yo. Bumbo. Check out the seats guys. This is nice. This is actually Napa leather, which is artificial leather. I actually prefer that because it's better for the environment. You know, you're not killing all the animals and things. So I prefer Napa leather, and it's just as comfortable. And you know, some people don't like leather at all in Jamaica. They say it gets too hot, but I prefer it. It's back seats, man. Yo, it's like a spaceship. Now this is our infotainment system. You have the AC here, the AC over here and here, left and right. You can control both. We have a map, Cartagena. No, we're not going there. Let's see. Wow. So guys, the built-in map actually has directions. So I just typed in the airport and it said we could go. Tell me how far, the time we'll get there. That's kind of sick. So let's go to home. EQ, yeah, it tells you how much battery we have. Got charging, cool. Consumption. And then as I was showing you guys on like the steering wheels. So over here, this controls here. So this side, the right side controls the instrument cluster, left side controls the infotainment system. Then you still have some physical buttons. We can change our driving modes. So individual is when you set up everything. You can choose your type of steering. You can choose your engine, your suspension, your steering, and ESPE. I'm not sure what that means. I'd have to double check. Put it back in and put in eco mode. Check out the cameras. So that's a 360 camera. You can see all around you. Crazy. Then you got wireless charging down there, USB-Cs. This is actually for your key. So if like your key battery is dying, you put it here to turn on the car. 2 more USB-Cs. A deep, yo, watch ya. And guys, I really love the finish here. Maybe I'll move it out the sunlight so you can see. You can see it, yeah. Now I'm gonna have them conditions to really film proper video like the rest of the people. But I like the type of finish. I love the ambient lighting that you have up here running along the car. It comes all over here. So it's like at night, it's sick and you can change the colors. I really like this design. And then of course, premium sound. Yeah, it's nice, man. I know one of my favorite features is the panoramic sunroof. So let's check it out. It's not a press. It's a swipe. One touch, one phone call it takes. Oh wait, one more swipe and alright guys, one feature that Miguel really wanted to see and check out was the trunk space and the trunk, so watch out. Trunk. That's crazy. As you can see, there's quite ample trunk space, but let me show you. Hey ladies, there's room for 2. Alright guys, and now I want to close it. We just swipe it here. Sick. That's how I do it from inside. Outside there's still a button. Touch it. Whoops, whoops. So guys, this is what $20 million gets you in Jamaica. This is a full EV, full luxury. It has the power, it's fast, like actually a Ross good deal. I'm about it. Maybe I should get one of these. What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below if you see me in an EV, if you see me in a big bad Benz for drift on a toll, skate on a toll, or what. Alright guys, let's see how how electric car drives. Very silent. Very silent. Let me check the camera on top. It's a little shaky. We have to just hope the camera doesn't fall off, guys. Not sure Jamaica road's bad though. There's what we don't understand about the government scene. Both parties. They want to make vehicles are raw expensive for people with them big old tax, but then don't want to fix the roads. So then you have to broke your vehicle and go pay and collect GCT on that too. Eh? This is not constitutional. Please fix the road then. So this is driving silky smooth, very comfortably over these bad roads. And then let's check out the little power now. Lord, just clap 100, easy. It's actually crazy. Guys, watch. White truck is in front of us by far. Look how quick we reach. We're right there. We are right behind them. Back to 100. We're back to 100 right there. So quick. It's insane. So for those of you that don't know, electric vehicles have a lot higher acceleration than gas vehicles, and on a normal basis, like comparative models, they have a higher top end speed. Until you get into like the supercars, then that's usually where the internal combustion has a higher top speed. But in like a drag race or short distances, acceleration first is what matters the most. How fast you go and how quick you get going that fast. So EVs are crazy for that, and it's because the battery can, using electricity, the battery delivers power directly, instantaneously like that. So that's why you get that quick burst, and it's like shoops. That's why electric cars take off, and as Amanda says, they go shoops. Look at us again. We're back at 100. We're back at 100. Right before we even get to the hill. Now we're going down. Insane. The ride is comfortable. There's no noise. And tell me I have another 250 kilometers. I can easily go Ochi and come back. Sweet. And yeah, this is around $26 million. So to be honest, what you're getting for that money is actually mind-blowing. This is full luxury SUV, full electric, all the bells and whistles. This is hard to beat. All right, now we're in the U-turn, so let's check the steering lock. Not bad. I haven't been convinced yet that EV is the future of the car world. However, every time I drive one, they do remind me why they're more than just a fad. I don't know if it's the savior of green mobility, but they are definitely more than just a fad. It's great technology. Vehicles are coming out great. You just get the power so great, so quickly. It's such an enjoyable drive. Let's go use the indicator, by the way, guys. Mine is on. You can hear it. Guys, I've driven some big cars. I've driven some fast cars all around the world. But this is what I do for a living. You see me? I'm really impressed, guys. This is a sweet vehicle. It drives very nice. This EQE can sell off. It's just the perfect combination of new technology, new energy, with Mercedes' signature luxury feel. And to be honest, the only cars more comfortable than Mercedes in Jamaica are Jaguar Land Rover. And that's because those cars are built for bad roads. That's a fact. And that's also a personal preference. Cars are a big personal preference type of thing. So buy what you like, don't buy what someone else likes, unless it's what I like. Alright guys, so I'm about to park. Watch that front camera 360 view on your iPad and slap him in reverse. Watch that. Ooh, camera silky like butter. Hi guys, the drive's over, so let's lock up and get set up for the day.